This is Laura Duncan from CSMS. Today we'll be using our calculator to graph quadratic functions. It may help you to have a copy of your notes handy as you watch the video. First, set your window by pushing Zoom 6. Find your y equals button, which is on the upper left-hand corner, and enter the function into your y equals. Then you're going to push graph to view the function. There's your graph. It's a quadratic function, and our job is to find the vertex. Now notice that the vertex is a minimum value. Since it's a minimum value, we're going to find the vertex by pressing second calc trace and number 3. You're going to make sure that the cursor is blinking on the left side of your vertex, and if it is, just press enter. That's your left bound. Then to find your right bound, you'll press to the right side of the vertex and press enter. Then it says guess and press enter again. Once you've pressed enter 3 times, you'll find your vertex, and we'll round that to the nearest tenth. Now that we've found the vertex, we can find some other points on the parabola by finding some values. And to do that, we'll push second calc and choose values. Our goal is to be able to have a good sketch of the parabola. Now using our calculator, we'll press second calc, and we want number 1, the value. You'll put in your x value of -1, and it will give you your y value of 10. Then just keep on entering the x values, 0, 1, and 2, and it will give you your y values. Now to graph those points, start with your vertex. Now this is just a sketch, but it may help you to put some tick marks to determine the scale. So after you've done the vertex, you're going to use the points that we filled in the table, -110, 0, 5, 1, 4, and 2, 7. And remember, this is the line of reflection, also known as the axis of symmetry. So each point on either side of that line will be mirror images of the other. Now you can carefully connect your points in the shape of a parabola. And lastly, you'll label some points on your parabola. Now let's turn our attention to number 2. You're going to graph the quadratic function and its vertex and the y values for the given x values. Then we'll sketch the graph. First, go to the y equals and put in -3x squared minus x plus 7. Then look at the graph. Notice that it is a maximum value. So to find the vertex, we'll have to go to second trace, and then we're going to find the maximum value, number 4. Go to the left using the arrow key because you need to find the left bound. Press enter. Now use the arrow to go over to find the right bound and press enter again. Then it says guess. Press enter a 3rd time and it will give you your vertex. Please write that down at this time. Now to find some values on the graph, you will go to second calc, number 1, and then start putting in your x values. Record your y values, and then you'll be ready to graph. Pause the video here to fill in your chart and sketch your graph. Now as you finish up your parabola, make sure it matches what you saw on your calculator, but also make sure you have labeled at least 3 of the points. Thank you. That concludes your lessons for today.